Top 5 Best Bandsaw for Metal. Number 5. Inland Craft DB100 Bandsaw Machine. The Inland Craft DB100 is a versatile and portable bandsaw designed for intricate crafting tasks, making it the perfect tool for artisans, hobbyists, and creative professionals. Its powerful permanent magnet DC motor delivers speeds between 800 to 3,400 RPM, which can be easily adjusted to suit your specific project requirements. This bandsaw's standout feature is its ability to cut a wide range of materials, including stained glass, mosaics, coral, and soft metals. The machine comes with 3 different bandsaw blades: diamond, metal, and wood, offering flexibility across various crafting mediums. Additionally, its lightweight, rust-proof thermoplastic construction makes it easy to transport, while the compact design ensures it won't take up much space in your workshop. The integrated coolant system provides a regulated flow of clean water to keep the blade cool and prevent overheating, making this an excellent choice for precision crafting. Coming in number 4, Shopfox W1715 Metal Cutting Bandsaw. The Shopfox W1715 is a compact yet powerful bandsaw built for versatility, making it an excellent choice for both professionals and hobbyists working with metal. Its 3-speed operation allows for precise control when cutting different materials, such as steel or aluminum, with speeds ranging from 78 to 180 feet per minute. The built-in vise enhances its functionality for horizontal cutting, enabling angle cuts up to 60 degrees. Furthermore, the vertical cutting attachment makes it easier to handle intricate cuts. Despite its compact size, the W1715 is designed for durability, with a cast iron stop for horizontal cuts and a spring and handle feed rate control. The built-in mobile base ensures easy movement around the workshop, making it ideal for shops with limited space. For those who need a versatile, easy-to-move bandsaw that doesn't compromise on power or precision, the Shopfox W1715 is an excellent investment. Coming in number 3, Woodskil 3-amp 9-inch bandsaw. For those seeking a powerful yet affordable option, the Woodskil 3-amp 9-inch bandsaw delivers outstanding performance. It features a 1720 RPM motor and a blade speed of 2,500 FPM, ensuring smooth, neat cuts in various materials, including soft metals. The bandsaw's maximum cutting depth is 3.5 inch, and it offers a tilting aluminum table, 0 degrees to 45 degrees, with a rip fence for straight and accurate cuts. Its sturdy steel base ensures stability during use, while the dust port keeps your work area clean. This model is particularly suited for small woodworking projects and intricate designs. It's easy to set up, and its smooth operation makes it perfect for detailed tasks such as cutting acrylic or other delicate materials. The compact size and affordability make it an excellent choice for hobbyists or those with limited workspace. Coming in number 2, WenBA 4664 Metal Bandsaw with Stand. The WenBA 4664 Metal Bandsaw is another excellent option for metal cutting, featuring a stand for added convenience. It's designed with efficiency in mind, offering a 10-amp motor with a blade speed ranging from 60 to 420 feet per minute. The versatility of this machine is exceptional, with adjustable speeds to suit different materials, from aluminum to steel. The included stand makes it a stationary tool, ideal for workshops that prioritize metalwork. Additionally, the machine has a cast iron construction that ensures durability, while the miter gauge offers precision for angled cuts. With a cutting capacity of 4 inches in diameter, this saw can handle a wide range of metal cutting tasks, whether you're working on automotive parts or crafting metal sculptures. It's a must-have for metal enthusiasts who need a machine with power and precision. Coming in number 1, Rikon Power Tools 10-3061 Deluxe Bandsaw. The Rikon 10-3061 Deluxe Bandsaw is a top-tier option for small workshop projects, boasting a 1/2 horsepower motor and an increased cutting capacity. With its 2-speed blade operation and user-friendly adjustments for blade tension, tracking, and guides, it's ideal for precise cuts. The toolless guide-bearing adjustment is a standout feature that streamlines setup. Additionally, its heavy-duty construction ensures stability and longevity, despite weighing over 80 pounds. The rip fence, onboard storage, and quiet operation make this an excellent choice for woodworkers with limited space who need a reliable, compact bandsaw. If portability is essential, mounting it on a rolling stand enhances mobility. This is a premium bandsaw, perfect for hobbyists who prioritize quality and precision, despite the higher price point.